Welcome to Smoky Mountain Taco. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell. It really helps out the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Bluetti AC180 portable power station with solar panels. So let's check this out. Alright, let's unbox this. Power cables. So this is going to be perfect for emergencies, power outages, camping, and the great thing is you don't need gasoline. So right off the top we see a key wireless charging for mobile devices right there on the top of the unit. Alright, this is a solar panel. This particular kit came with 2 solar panels. This is how we plug it into a adapter that came with the kit. Alright, let's unfold this. Take off both straps. You start to unfold it, and you'll take these particular straps here and put it around the third position for a 45-degree angle. And there's 3 of these. You can get it's pretty big. Let's get that third one. Pull those out. And that's pretty big. Keep in mind there's 2 of these. Alright, let's demonstrate how you would plug this into the power station. It'll give it some power. So we just plug it to the other end of that adapter that came with it. And there is an input up here at the top of the power station that you would plug into. And then to unplug it, just pull that apart. Then you can put all this right back right there in that storage compartment. Alright, let's fold this up. This is designed very well. Put that back in its proper position and then put the straps back on and tighten it up. And you've got a nice, neat and tidy carrying case for the solar panel. Okay, that's a standard DC output, like for a cigarette lighter. And over here you've got an AC input if you want to charge it inside your home. Now if you notice up there at the top, there is a wireless key charging station for your phones as well. And turn it on right there. By the way, this has a corresponding app for your phones or mobile devices as well. You can see the DC output there for USB A and USB C there. And it also came with this thermos as well. Thank you for joining me today, and let me know down in the comments what you think about the Bluetti AC180 power station with solar panels. What do you think? Let me know.